Hey guys, welcome back to my class. Today we are going to be doing a mini lesson on the solar system. So what you're going to do is we're going to start off at my teacher page. And this is where you're going to find the worksheet and the link that you're going to be using for this assignment. So what we're going to start out is you're going to start at the home page. You're going to go ahead and go over to EDU Technology and Teaching. You're going to go down to Screencast Assignment. So once you get here, it'll look like this. Over the corner over here, there's our worksheet that we were going to be working on. So go ahead and click on that. It'll bring this page up, but you are going to want to make your own copy of it. So you'll go ahead and click these dots up here. You'll open a new window, and this is where it takes you to Google, where you are going to make your own copy. So we are going to go to File, and then you're going to make a copy. So once you make this copy, you can type in copy of, or this is where it can go. You're going to hit make a copy. So then this is going to be your own worksheet that you are going to be working on for this assignment. So we are going to be working on what is this solar system. So on this document, it has pretty much everything that we want to fill up step-by-step introduction and each section. Different objects in the sky, you're going to do what is a star, you're going to do, kind of just go through each level of the website that we are going to be working on. So with that being said, you're going to go back up to the top. We are going to be clicking on this link. So this link, it'll take us to Science World. Once we get to this link, it will pop up like this. You're going to hear some music in the background, and kind of you're going to work through this step by step as it goes through. So what we are going to do is you're going to hit Introduct Intro, and you're going to do step by step of how we can work through and figure out what we need to learn about.
I'm Tim. Hello, I am Patrick. My dad is the captain of this pirate ship, and he allows me to join him on some of his...
So as this goes through, you're going to go back to your project or your worksheet, and you're going to be filling out this top of it. The top gives you a word bank of the words that you need to fill in. Please pay close attention. You can replay the intro back and forth, so please help yourself to going back and forth with how many times you need. Each section has about a few steps that you need to do. I'm pretty sure it's about 5. You're going to walk through and you're going to go through each section and fill out that worksheet as we go. If you guys have any questions, please reach out. Don't hesitate to ask questions to further your understanding in this little mini lesson that we're doing. All right, have a good one.